Honey Bear, my friends say that I'm bragging.
Oh.
Well, they don't believe that my husband is the president of an airlines group. You know, tomorrow we're going to Europe and it would be so nice if we could have your private jet for it. You know, that would prove them wrong.
Miranda loves me so much that she never doubts me. And she's got no plans lately. She wouldn't find out if I let Jennifer use her jet.
Go ahead. Show them.
Oh my God, Honey Bear, you're the best.
What is this? Oh my God, is this the newest Chanel collection? I've only seen it in magazines. Oh my God, Andre, is this for me?
Miranda has so many dresses, she won't even notice if one's missing.
If you like it, it's yours.
Oh my God, you're the best.
Must have left my new dress on the jet. No, don't worry, sweetie. Mommy's gonna go have a look on the jet tomorrow, okay?
By the way, guys, do you want to see something really cute?
Oh my God, Jenny! Is this your husband's private jet card? It's worth tens of millions. Andre must love you.
I mean, yeah, he said I can use it whenever I want and I get to get everything.
Oh my God, so you're gonna be like the first lady of the private jet airline groupie thingy. Mrs. Shaw.
Oh, Mrs. Shaw. A toast to the future First Lady.
To the First Lady.
Welcome, Miss.
Sweetie, Mommy just has to take this. Can you wait a moment? Do not touch anything. Yes, go ahead. Okay. Oh. This seems to be my private jet card.
Are you still there?
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Peasants.
Honey Bear.
Have you arrived at the airport yet, babe?
Yeah, we're already here. But Andre, I miss you so much. When are you gonna get here?
La 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 la.
Oh my God, why is there kids in the VIP lounge? So annoying.
Just kick her out. You're the VIP here, okay?
Mommy, can I go to the jet to get my dolly first? I miss her.
You annoying little brat! You need to be taught a lesson.
Shut up while I talk to my husband, okay?
Apologize to me.
Do you hear me?
Always are mean, always bothering everyone.
I think I need to teach you how to be a polite little girl.
What are you doing here? Get off now!
This is my jet. You should get off.
Oh my God! Imagine a messy little brat telling us to get off of your jet.
Your jet? You're nothing but a spoiled brat. You're fucking crazy. Get off now! Is that Miranda? The show-off who used to steal your spotlight?
That's my mom's picture. Give it back.
No wonder you're that bitch's little daughter.
Take your disgusting picture and get off now!
I'm not gonna listen to you.
Like mother, like
Daughter, little bitches!
God, I hate the sound of crying children. It gives me a headache.
You want to keep crying? Come on. Louder.
Mommy, Daddy, help.
Shut up!
Your mommy doesn't want you anymore.
With a mom like that, her dad's either ugly as fuck or literally stupid. Ew!
Oh my God, poor thing.
How dare you bite me! Ah! Stop it!
Mommy,
Are you okay? Did they hurt you?
they hit me.
Sure, that is not okay.
Excuse me, who the hell are you? And how dare you push me? Hello? Miranda? I thought you had abandoned your daughter.
Did you hit my daughter?
She was being annoying, so I had to teach her a lesson. So, you're welcome. You just hit me?
Yeah, I did. How dare you? Do you know who Jennifer is now? Look, I really don't care. All I care is that you bullied my daughter, and I will not let that go.
Fine. I know you're here for money, so take these $10,000. And while I'm being nice, you get out of my plane, okay?
I don't want your money.
Based on your history with men, I would say otherwise.
You haven't changed at all in 10 years. Back in college, you used to sleep with old men to get their money, and now you have your little daughter do that for you? Oh.
Oh my God. That little brat must be one of the kids of her sugar daddies. How tacky.
Look, you better just take the money and get out. Jennifer's husband won't let you go.
What, your husband's some kind of big shot, is he?
Honey, her husband owns this plane.
What?
Miranda, girlfriend, let me give you a little piece of advice for free. Her husband is the president of Frank Airlines. So I'd be really careful how you talk to Jennifer. Otherwise, she's going to put you on the blacklist.
The president. What's his name?
Andre. Charles.